Right, hi guys, it's me here, and I'm with Angel.
Yay!
We need to shut this up.
Welcome
Right,
to
shut
Animal.
up. Right, let's shut it up and put
All
the music
these
on.
amazing animals.
No. Right, so what do you want to be, Angel?
I want to be a panda.
Sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
Right, that
Oh,
music's
yeah.
a little too loud.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
This is jamming music.
Animal
yeah.
jamming.
Hi, it's me. I'm a
Right.
guest, but I'm on the Xbox.
Nice.
Right, what do you want to be called?
I'm going to be called Twinkle Desert Meadow.
Oh, yeah, actually. Why don't we just randomize it to see what
No,
happens?
I want grassy alien rabbits.
How about
Incredible angry rhino.
no, no incredible amusing
I want to be called Princess.
princess? Alright, let's find princess here. Come on, where's princess?
There it is. You missed it.
Princess artistic. Princess artistic Rose.
Ruler.
Ruler. There we go. Right,
My
wait.
birthday is the 23rd of January.
Right, let's put that in. I can still hear it, the music.
Oh, yeah.
You're a gal?
I am 10.
You're 10. Right, what's it gonna be called?
I'm going to be called Amazing Angel.
Amazing Angel.
The third.
Third.
There it is.
Third.
See, I'm a mind reader.
Right, let's type in your password and you can censor that out.
Okay.
You can censor that. What? Don't say it, just type it in.
I know.
I won't hack you. I'm tempted to see if it won't. Write that down. Quickly write that down. She's gonna write a password down.
Pause it. Pause the
I will good pause the video where she writes a P.
I'm
Where back?
sharpening a pencil.
Yeah, she's just randomly doing that. Alright, so let me just put my email in.
Please don't look.
No, we're gonna blur it out anyways.
Wrong way. I was sharpening it the wrong way.
I'm not gonna say my email just because I don't want you emailing me. But that says Hulk. Why the hell did I write Hulk? I meant like.
There we go, nice and sharp. If only the cam was on.
Let's agree.
I don't agree.
I don't agree. Let's inappropriately cheat and steal on people. What does that mean? I don't know.
This is gonna be the thumbnail.
This is the thumbnail. Thumbnail.
Just because of that green rope with the eye.
Yeah, this is so you don't know what's gonna go on in this video. Oh my god, let's get a new den, like right away. And let's change that. Look at you.
I want to
Are you
be...
sure you like that?
Yes.
Right, what colour do you want your main body to be? With all of these colours, look. All of these.
This purple here. I'm just kidding. I want to be this blue.
You sure you don't
Yes,
want black?
and then- no, I want blue.
And then,
Actually, the black look.
yes, I know this.
And then the eyes.
I noticed some ones with eyelashes here.
Yes, and then the color is green.
Oh, I thought I picked up blue.
Yes.
See, that's cute, and you can get some patterns on it.
I don't want to look like an Indian, so I don't want
You can get some hearts.
I don't want none.
But look, that's cute.
I don't want none.
Okay. Okay, you can have none. Oh!
I don't want none.
Would you like that?
You just kicked me in the butt.
Do you like that?
No!
It's I!
Taking over.
She's taking over my life! Right, there we go.
There.
You want that on your back.
There we
Right,
go.
click X.
I know I
Do
can.
you want to go shopping?
Yes.
Hang on. Or do you want a new animal?
Are you dead?
Oh, there are your dinner items. Pet, shut the hell up. We don't like you. Wow, look at them. They're so great. Do you want a bed? Okay.
Yeah.
What colour?
The blue.
Buy them to purchase it.
Blue.
Click on X.
Said blue.
And we clicked it again. You saved me.
And then a pillow to go on.
Oh, you want a pillow? Which colour pillow? Get away from me, Peck. Peck, no one likes you. Thank you. Right, you can get some Halloween products.
Merch.
Some Halloween merch. You can get those. I want those. Why don't you decorate your room for Halloween?
I want you to pick.
Oh, look, it's a chair.
Oh, it's a big chair.
Do
Very
you
nice.
want a big chair?
I'm looking for the pillow.
It's actually...
Oh, pixelated tree.
Look, it's a pixelated rug. Good. Why don't you get it?
Pig. Oh.
You can get a pig rug. 300.
Pig balloons.
You can get pig balloons.
Buy the pig.
Yes.
Buy the pig balloons.
You've only got 150 now.
Where's the cushion?
It's at the
Where
end.
is the goddamn
I'm just sorry.
cushion?
Do you want a new floor?
I don't have enough. Then we'll just go to the shop and gamble. You know that has to be blue, right? Now let's play something. My piggy.
And then it will be the end once you've placed it. So where do you want your couch?
Over here.
Here.
Yeah, and then put the pig
Like
on.
this. And then it's just switch the pillow around. Put the pillow there. Oh, you can get let's put the pig balloons
Over
here.
there.
Get rid of Peck because I hate her so much.
And then put the rug over here.
The pig rug. Let's put it there so when you get out of bed you step on the
And
pig
that's
rug
one over there.
next to the
That's
balloons.
where the table is going to be.
Yes, like that. And next, should we get a plushie? Do you want a plushie?
Let's gamble!
Yes, let's go and gamble. Right. Oh, we need to put the music back on. Oh no, what's happened, guys?
What? The wrong music. How didn't you tell us, guys?
You should have told us.
Put the jamming music on.
Yes, the jamming music. Let's turn this animal jam music off.
That's
Oh
just
no,
lame.
that's a pet.
That's just lame.
This animal jam music is lame.
We should really replace
Oh,
it.
hang
with
on, do you want a
something.
smoothie?
I will do this. I know how to do this.
You know how to buy a
A
smoothie.
banana smoothie.
Yes, rose pop with bananas. Don't get the strawberry. No, don't
The
get the orange. Oh no, no,
No grapes. Don't want no grapes. Oh
We
yeah. I
won.
won. Oh,
We
yeah.
won.
Oh yeah. Oh look at my smoothie. No.
It's floating above you.
A cloud.
Right, you can try this. So you have like 2 more minutes. Oh, you won!
First try. Oh, eagle. It's an eagle.
Don't discard it.
Next.
Don't reject it. Just try and get that one.
Nothing there.
Oh, I lost. I missed. 25 gems. 5 more gems, mommy. Right, get that one. Yes. No. Try.
No.
I've got
One more and then you can try.
that one there.
Oh!
Right,
Oh, it's a
my
seal!
turn.
Keep it.
Keep it that's here. It's also a pile. Oh!
Oh, it's a raccoon!
Keep that one. Let's see if there's any more. Probably not any more down there. We probably got, yes, we got all of the dishes. Should we get 2 more? Let's have 2 more goes. Let's try and go for this.
Who's
This one.
Captain Melville?
I don't know. Who is Captain Melville? I don't know. Right, let's try and get this panda. Like this
Oh,
one.
it's me, but purple.
Yes. No. Right, there we go. Let's go home. And we can decorate her. You've got like 30 more seconds. So
I
like,
don't have 30 more seconds. It's out of 15.
no, but you Kyle had 10 minutes and you had 10 minutes too. Yes, you had 10 minutes and 41 seconds, so you're allowed 10 minutes and 41 seconds.
But the seal and the... Where did you go?
You click the X, so you have 41 seconds left. Oh, you got another 150 gems. If you had 400, you could have got it.
Alright, I'm
you-
done.
Right, you got
Random raccoon on the floor.
right, you got 185. Don't want to spend those.
Very good.
But you can get that. That's for Halloween. You can get some lights.
No, go on, no, like.
Spooky lights.
See? Spooky?
I know. I don't know why it's called a spooky light. Let's see if there's any that she can actually afford. She's so
I'm
poor.
so poor.
She's so poor she can't even afford a fish.
I'm so poor. I ate my cereal with a fork to save milk.
Oh no.
No!
I'm saying
Don't
that.
turn off the music. Welcome, Matt.
Where are they coming
Do you want
from?
a welcome mat with
Yes.
your hand? You can buy a welcome mat.
Blue.
Hello? Can you hear you?
Oh no.
You literally went past it again.
There it is. Right.
Well,
This,
it's nothing yet.
oh no, it's been 11 minutes.
Oh,
So let's. Right, so that's the end of this
Bye!
video.
yeah, I'm the best, aren't I?
Yes. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!